Hello, everyone. It is Misty,
Natalie,
and we are here at our Doan Girls retreat. So we have all our fun retreaters. We just finished up our morning class and a delicious lunch, and we had a fun little visit from Dee from Pixel Quilts.
Yes,
and so
quilts are amazing.
Super cool. So that has been a blast, and now we get to share what is coming up this week with all of you for Tuesday Newsday.
That's right. Well, your video came out yesterday.
That's right. Brand new one. And I was joined by the incredibly talented Anna Maria Horner, and we are making her Do-Si-Do quilt. So if you haven't watched that, be sure to check it out because it is absolutely beautiful. So much fun. And
she was a joy to film with.
She's the best.
She's also featured on my tutorial on Friday. We did the echinacea pillow, and I just loved having her in town. She's just so gracious.
And she is truly such a talented artist. And she shares a little bit about her new quilting book that she just wrote called Blueprint Quilting. And it is amazing. It's one of my favorite quilting books that I've had in years. And so if you don't have it yet, I highly recommend you grab a copy. It is just a wealth of knowledge. Really, really great.
Yeah. Super fun.
That's awesome. Okay, what else do we have to cover? Oh, so the next week's new tutorial on At Home is episode 5 in my series with Craig Conover, the co-founder of Sewing Down South. And in this one, he is making his first full-size quilt.
Oh, that's exciting.
Super fun. He does an amazing job, so be sure to check that out. And we designed it to coordinate with
his pillows.
Some of his pillows from his collection there at Sewing Down South. So
that's so great.
Super cool. So what else do we need to cover?
Well, we have some super fun things planned for Doan Girls retreats. I teach my quilt tomorrow.
That's right.
We're getting ready to do a demo on the pillowcase kit, and that is for our charity organization.
That's right.
It's not our organization,
but we
donate the pillowcases to that.
And then we also have something very fun and special at this retreat. We have our Golden Star winner here.
We do?
We do. Is she in here? Our Golden Star. This is Robin. Can you come up here, Robin?
Oh, see, I did not know about this. This is exciting.
Surprise, surprise. Yes, you can clap. Yes, this is Robin. So Robin, let's tell everybody about, so if you're not familiar, we do a promotion called Golden Star. And if you shop with us online, you are entered to win, or you can send in a postcard, I think, to enter. I don't know the rules.
It's one of those contests where no purchase is necessary to participate, whatever.
And Robin was our winner. And so as part of that, you got to join us here at retreat, right?
Yes. I couldn't believe it. I kept thinking, I'm going to have to pay room and board, or I'm going to have to pay for something, but it was all included. And
that's great.
I was really excited.
And it's your first time to a retreat, right?
Yes. I've never been to a retreat before.
Oh, how do you like it?
Oh, I love it.
Oh,
I love it.
Glad.
I think quilting people are the nicest people there.
I agree. They're the best, aren't they?
Woo! The best.
So tell everyone where you're from.
I'm from Elk Point, South Dakota, which is just north of Sioux City, Iowa.
Wonderful.
So
and
great.
How long have you been quilting?
About 9 years.
Awesome. Well, I'm so glad you could be here with us. It's so fun. So thank you for being here.
Well, thank you.
And congratulations on winning.
Oh, thank
That's awesome.
Yes. Have a great time.
All right. And let's see, what else do we have to go through? Let me make sure I don't miss anything. So we are in, we're in Christmas in July right now.
Christmas in July.
And so we've been stitching up all kinds of fun kind of Christmassy projects for the last little while. And it's a great time if you are planning on Christmas gift giving to get started on that. So we're not, frantically sewing between Thanksgiving and Christmas to get all of our gifts done.
That's right.
So super fun. And then in that vein, the pre-sale for Jenny's Christmas box, it runs until the 31st. So if you have still been waiting to sign up for that pre-sale, you have just a little bit longer to do that. So make sure you get that done. And then we also have a beautiful new version of this block of the month.
Oh, yeah, that's right. So this is called Good Tidings.
That's right.
And it's made just like our current block of the month, but in Christmas fabrics.
Yes. Let's see if we can
grab
this one.
With me being on the other side of a table.
Yeah, let's.
A little tricky.
Oh, and we're going to show the back first.
Okay.
There we go.
So this is quilt.
It's so beautiful.
I think it's absolutely gorgeous.
It is just stunning. And there is a kit available for this exactly as you see it. And then you can sew along with Jenny and Natalie in all the videos to make it. So pretty.
Alrighty.
Super fun. All right.
I also wanted to mention that September 1st September 1st is the final date to pay off your second half of the box. If you pre-ordered, be sure to get your second payment in before September 1st.
Perfect. Thank you, Hannah. That's good. Good to
Awesome.
cover.
Really
Let
good
me
to
see.
know.
Let me check my cheat sheet. Make sure we haven't missed anything else. Oh, birthday bash is coming up. So it is our 17th birthday, which is crazy.
I can't believe that.
It's hard to believe. And this year's theme is Stitchin' Stampede. So
It's
get your
gonna be
boots and hats ready.
So fun.
It's going to be a blast. So that runs the 17th through the 20th. And there are still a few tickets available, and you can purchase those swag bags as well. So you can find a link to all of that to get signed up for all the fun that we're going to have at our birthday bash.
I know. I can't wait. I'm getting ready to start practicing my line dancing.
Yeah, some boot
Square dancing,
boot
whichever
scoot and
one.
boogie, whatever that is. I don't know.
Yes. Heel toe.
Yeah, do-si-do. So we're not
Do the
dancers,
grapevine.
but we try. Anyway, I think that's really it. Is there anything else you can think of, Hannah, that we need to cover?
No, it
All
was
right.
so fun having you come to
Yeah,
our little Doan Girls
retreat. And so thank you to our retreaters for being
Yes.
here with us.
Thank you.
So much fun. And so, yeah, we hope you all have a fabulous week, and we will be back, or someone will be back next Tuesday.
That's
So,
right. Happy summer.
See ya.